Cement. Cement is an important building material. It was introduced in England. By Joseph Aspiding. In the year 1824. Okay. It is also called as Portland cement. Because it resembles with the natural limestone present in Portland. So, it got its name Portland cement. Okay. Now, preparation. How can we prepare cement? It is a product obtained by combining material rich in lime. That is calcium oxide. Okay, with combining material rich in lime, calcium oxide, with other materials such as clay, which contains silica, SiO2, along with oxides of aluminium, iron and magnesium. Okay, these are mixed carefully in controlled amount. Okay, so these are mixed in controlled amount. So this Portland cement is obtained by combining mixture rich in lime, that is calcium oxide, with clay, okay, which contains silicon dioxide, that is silica, SiO2, and oxides of aluminium, iron and magnesium. And approximate composition of Portland cement is calcium oxide is 50 to 60%. Next, silica, SiO2, 20 to 25%. Then alumina, Al2O3 is 5 to 10%. Next oxide, Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is present in 1 to 2%. And magnesium oxide 2 to 3%, and sulfur trioxide SO3, the ratio in the percentage 1 to 2%. Okay, like this we can prepare Portland cement. This is the combination. Okay, the carefully controlled amount is that is Portland. The approximate composition of Portland cement is this, and for a good quality cement there is some ratio, that is silica, SiO2 and Al2O3 must be in the ratio 2.5 and 4 to get good quality cement. Okay, also the ratio of lime, calcium oxide to their other oxide, that is SiO2, Al2O3 and Fe2O3. This ratio should be close to 2. Okay, so in this case, for a good quality cement we have to control the ratio like this. Okay, next we can study about how to manufacture cement. Manufacture of cement. First point, the raw materials used are limestone and clay. These are the raw materials used. Next, a mixture of powdered limestone and clay is heated strongly in a rotary kiln. Okay, in a rotary kiln, this mixture, the mixture of limestone and clay, is heated at a temperature of 1770 Kelvin to 1870 Kelvin. At this temperature, we are heating the mixture without trickling. Okay. Then what happens? Limestone decomposes to calcium oxide. That is, limestone is calcium carbonate. It decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Decomposition takes place. Then this calcium oxide reacts with alumina and silica from clay and form a mixture of calcium silicate and calcium aluminate. Next step, calcium oxide reacts with alumina Al2O3 and silica present in the clay and form calcium silicates and calcium aluminates. Calcium silicates and calcium aluminates are obtained. Okay. So next step. Now what happens? 20% of the mass melts and combine with solid mass to form a small ball-like material called cement clinker. Called as cement clinker. So 20% of the mass melts during this process because high temperature reaction takes place and it combined with solid mass to form a small ball-like material called cement clinker. This clinker is then mixed with 2 to 3% weight of gypsum. This clinker is then mixed with 2 to 3% of weight of gypsum. 2 to 3% by weight of gypsum. Okay. Gypsum is CaSO4 Okay. And it is then well powdered. Okay. This is called as Portland cement. Okay. So, Portland cement is manufactured. There is an important function for gypsum. Why gypsum is added? Because the function of gypsum is to slow down the setting of cement. Slow down the setting of cement. We are adding gypsum. Okay. So, next, setting of cement. When water is mixed with cement, cement reacts and form a gelatinous mass. Cement reacts with water and form a gelatinous mass which sets slowly to a hard mass having a three-dimensional network structure. Okay, sets to a mass. Okay, sets to a hard mass having three-dimensional network structure. Okay, so this is due to the hydration of the molecules of the constituents and their rearrangement. This process is due to hydration of the constituents present in it and their rearrangement, and this process is known as setting of cement, and during this process large amount of heat is evolved, and this is a exothermic process. Okay, it's an exothermic process and is called setting of cement. Next, uses of cement. Uses. First use, it is an important material for building purposes next to iron and steel. It's an important building material. Okay, it's an important building material for building purposes next to iron and steel. And second point, it is used in concrete and reinforced concrete. Used in concrete and reinforced concrete. Then It is used in plastering. It is used in plastering. Next point, it is used in the construction of bridges, dams and buildings. Construction of bridges, dams and buildings. Okay. These are the important uses of cement.